Hi everyone, good day. I'm Teacher Violi, and this is my friend here, Sir Alger, who will discuss to us how to use Google Meet.
Yes, I'm Alger Aliser from Lahug Night High School. Formal kayo. Thank you, Ma'am Padigos, for this opportunity. Having our Google Meet, mga meeting nato with Google
Mhm.
Meet niya in the future. So as a start, we will be teaching you how to use Google Meet.
Okay.
So first is you need to go to your browser. Pwede ra na si Google Chrome or Edge. It depends on you. So I will share my screen to you. Pasensya.
Okay.
So first, just type Google Meet and then kindly click lang kani siya Meet dash Google.
Sir, sa kilainan sa Google Meet o Google Hangout?
Pariharam na sila daw man.
Okay.
So as you can see na adri ang mga colorful nga mga butang, but you need to sign in first. Asan kan siya? I already signed in my account,
Okay.
but I will sign out because you are going to be asked to sign in.
Okay.
So kindly use the Google that email account ninyo. So it is
Mhm.
already provided. Kindly use that. I'll be using mine, and then kindly just key in also your password. It's safe. It's Google anyway. So after that, you can see now the icon for the meet here,
Mhm.
and then the date today. Then here is some icons that will mean something later on. But in
Okay.
order for you to start a meeting, you just need to click join or start meeting right here. Panalitan, you just need to click kinahanglan ninyo nickname or code name, depende na ninyo.
Mhm.
So,
Okay.
panalitan, lahog man to, so lahog na high school. You just need to click continue. Yes, just need to wait for it to load. If na-prompt niya nga ni, please just allow kaning sa babaw, dakit the
Mhm.
meet.google.com wants to use your microphone and use your camera. I-allow na siya
Okay.
to
Mhm.
start the meeting because you need your camera and microphone for the meeting. Allow lang.
Mhm.
And then once it's done, may mga nagani diri na ay problem with um, camera and microphone. You just navigate, click this one to make your
On.
microphone on, and also this one
Mhm.
is for video. So click
Mhm.
video to turn it on. And you can actually start now. You just need
Mhm.
to click here, join now, and then na mo gawas diri nga mga information about your meeting. So you just need to click copy joining info, and then
Mhm.
actually you can put it anywhere like Facebook or your email address or anyone if you want to join. Like for
Mhm.
example, I will send this to my partner, Mangyoli. So I'll send it to her. Can you click it, ma'am?
Okay.
Please click the link para makaibaw ko kung nakasulba ka ano sa ato ang room.
All right.
Because this is a room. And then in this case, usa pa ay naa, only the host. So
Okay.
upon clicking the link, the person you want to join will be navigated to this room, particular room. Yeah.
Meet.
Once he click
Yeah.
or once he or she click the join
Mhm.
button, then for the link, you will be notified by this notification here that someone wants to join. If it is outside the Department of Education, like it is not the TED account, then you will be notified to admit it.
I will try to change it, sir, ha? Okay? So you disregard personal Google account. So I will try to decline it and then sign in with my DepEd account. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I will switch account, sir, so you would identify me.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
as you can see,
Okay.
there's no more not there's no more notification that it needs to be admitted. It directly goes to it. Basta DepEd email account ang ato ang gamiton. So maka-join ra dayon ta sa meeting. So, I will now explain to you kung unsay mga content sa once naa na ka nakasud na ka sa ato ang Google Meet. So here
Mm-hmm.
mo ni ang title or the code name of your meeting, and then you can see here ang ato ang joining account or joining info, and then
Mm-hmm.
also you can turn on captions. Like for example, what I'm saying, it will actually, but it is not really that accurate, like 90% accurate thing is here. Depende mo na siya sa sound. So that's it.
I think only English, sir. What do you think?
Yeah,
Bisaya daw.
nagtudlo ko sa, yeah, and turn it off if it is uh,
Not
not
necessary.
necessary. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can see here also present now. So when you say present
Mm-hmm.
now, it will give you three options. It's a Chrome tab or Google Chrome tab, a window, or your entire screen. So when
Mm-hmm.
you say entire screen, you're going to um, share your
Share the
screen,
screen.
yeah, of the entire thing on your screen or your
Mm-hmm.
laptop. If you're using cell phone, na-share po ang tanan nga makita sa mga cellphone. So that's 4% now. And
Mm-hmm.
then this is a window, meaning only one window, meaning it will only give you
A
a
portion,
window,
sir.
a portion of a window.
Ah, okay.
Okay. And then a Chrome tab. If there is one that opens a Chrome tab, then it will go to the Chrome tab. But basically, the one useful for this is the entire screen.
Mm. Okay.
So that's it. And then here, if you can see, this is for microphone.
So control microphone if Saba ang end, and
Yeah.
then only one
If you,
speaker
yeah.
should be talking.
If you're in a
Okay.
meeting and then you're, like for example, ato ang principal is nagtabi, nagkinahalan siya og kahilom sa kanang participants, then you can turn off. You can click this one, turn off your microphone.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can turn it on if you want to say something. And then
Mm-hmm.
this is for the video. If you want
Mm-hmm.
to turn on the video, just click it, and then the
But
video will
right now,
appear.
sir, it's not working because we are using the video in another platform.
Yeah, we're using the video in another platform. This is only for demonstration purposes. So,
Okay.
dili gini siya ang ma-experience yun, but only for the video. Okay.
Okay.
This is the leave call button.
Ah,
So
okay.
if you want to leave the session, you can just click that.
Mm-hmm.
And there are times nga mulag gani ang ato ang Google Meet. Just
Mm-hmm.
try to refresh. Just click this one, refresh. It will let you go
Mm-hmm.
back to the session.
Try ko na,
It will
sir.
refresh. For example, nag-lag siya and then you cannot hear sound, you cannot see anything. So just reload.
Ning sing freeze ang tanan.
Yeah, you freeze na and then it will go back to
Ah, okay.
the first screen that we have. And then you can hit join now. And then,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
yeah, I think that's it. And then also in here, you can see a lot of options. This is an
Mm-hmm.
option wherein you are the host, meaning ikaw ang nag ikaw
Conduct.
ang nagkandak. So natay record
Mm-hmm.
meeting diri kita. Pero kung participant, if you are a participant, this may be not in that particular.
Yes, it does not appear on my answer.
Yes. And then you can click change layout also. When you say layout, it is the presentation of the call,
Mm-hmm.
the conference call. It will be
Mm-hmm.
tiled, meaning ang tanan nasa usa ka
Kanang
screen.
participants?
Yeah,
Okay.
on the tile. In the sidebar, ang katurang mga na-sounds ang mo appear.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ang kaning spotlight is only one lang yun ang mo appear on that screen.
Okay.
So there are three types.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it doesn't. If you want to choose also auto, then you can do that. But if you
Mm-hmm.
prefer the other three, one of the three,
Mm-hmm.
then you can also choose them. And then
Okay,
here
sir.
are also, aside from this one, turn on captions, turn on captions. And then full
Okay.
screen, if you want to have full screen, meaning wala na ilain nga makita aside sa
Mm-hmm.
inyong call. And then what you will do is to click exit full screen if you want
Mm-hmm.
also to go back to the window tab.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one settings, if you want to check if your microphone is working and
Mm-hmm.
if your speakers are working, you can test that. Also your video.
Mm-hmm.
In here, camera failed siya kay nagamit niyo sa lain na platform. But usually,
Mm-hmm.
it will say here camera, the camera is okay in here. If you are using a
Mm-hmm.
camera. But if there is no web camera, if you're using a laptop, or there's no built-in camera, then it will really not
Appear.
it will not appear. So
No?
also, you can set high definition, but it will affect the frequency of your call. You
Mm-hmm.
can also have this one, 360p. It's okay in a call, the 360p.
Okay.
But you can also have this in a high definition. Again, if it is high definition, then it may affect the call
The
because it's
quality of the
yeah
call.
yeah the signal might fluctuate in a bit kay bugat siya mas bugat siya
Bugat
kasi
siya.
360p.
Okay.
The P there stands for pixels. I don't know. Ano lang, basta mo na nga siya. Okay? Standard na siya. Definition. Standard
Okay.
definition. It's okay for fun. It's okay for a conference.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to have high definition, it's really in your end. Basta paspas lang po din yung internet. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, aside from this one, yeah, I think that's it. This use a phone for audio. It requires you to dial someone or call, but we do not use this in our meetings. So we will
Mm-hmm.
not discuss this one. Just try to avoid
Okay.
using these options here.
A phone for
Use a
audio.
phone for
Okay.
audio. So I think that's all for Google Meet. And then
How about the one on the answer upper right corner?
upper right, this one. If you
Yeah,
click
that
this one,
one.
that means it's pinned. And this one is the
It's
chat
the
box.
okay. So we can chat.
Yeah, you can chat.
Yeah.
If
And
you
then how about the add people, sir? Can we add them manually if they are needed?
yeah,
Must be needed in the conference.
if for example,
Okay.
you can add or invite through email. So mas maayo atong option ganina is
Mm.
to copy the link from here
Yeah, ihatag na lang.
and then you can paste it to Facebook Messenger or to any communication platform.
Can I send you an attachment using Google Meet, sir?
No,
Okay.
like for example, a document.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
No, there's no option for that.
Because there is no way to do that because both sides can share the screen if they
Yeah,
need to say or share something.
there's no
Okay.
need.
Okay.
Okay, so asa pa man.
I think I have understood everything while nag-follow ko sa inyong lecture about Google Meet. So this is very good because now at least they have something to watch and then di na mag unsay tuplokon, di ba? So they can just see, anticipate unsay basic nga kinahanglan before getting into Google Meet and while they are in Google Meet.
Yeah, sakto sir.
Mhm. So
So,
thank you so much, Sir Alger, for having this video,
yeah, thank you so much
and
also.
it's really very helpful.
Nantay makapuna na ninyo, bahala. Anyway,
Okay.
this is
Mm,
very good because we will be having night meetings with the Google Meet. So karon nga dili ka
yes.
ta pwede adto sa ato ang mga school. Yeah.
Yeah. And the good thing about Google Meet is that there is no time limit.
Yeah. Other platforms have time limits, but in Google Meet it's free and there's
Mm-hmm.
no limitation in the time. Pwede mo diri magbinungkagay mo yung call. Ganahan mo.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. As long as
Okay.
naa lang gid ang internet. So,
Yes. Right.